came in.
This is the way we came too. This is kind of nice. It has all these big trails.
You see any critters out there?
No.
None?
None.
No sea lions?
Nothing. Not a darn thing. Well, they're all hiding out.
Anyway, yeah, they like Sunset. So yeah, we're at Sunset Bay. He said, oh, we went up there and we got stuck. I said, how did we get these? And he said, I mean, we got stuck. I said, so did we? And he said, a year ago. I said, that's last year. We were there just last year. This was the year before that. They were over there. Wave came up and just
Yeah.
I said, yeah, we were up there and we got wet, but then there was one group and over to the side, all of a sudden you hear all this screaming and you see them all running. He said, yeah, it's like us. But they like that. So they were there. They knew the road was washed out.
Yeah. Ooh, right here it's almost like warm. Just that little whip
Just
gets
being
you
out
in the
there with little
wind.
winds blowing.
Yeah.
That's pretty along here.
Oh, it's so pretty. I wonder what it's like when it's not king tide. I wonder what the waves.
Probably pretty flat and calm.
That's what I'm thinking.
That little boat out there is just not too worried about it.
No. Oh, what's that?
You both probably watch king tide from here.
Yeah. Well, that's what they're all doing. See the little
Little tunnel.
sea cave?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's the best I've gotten the water coming out of it.
Really?
I think so. I didn't even know it was coming out the side over here.
What's that? Look at that cool way out there. That white spot.
Yeah, I see it. Just burgling right there.
Wait,
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Must be a little reef.
Yeah.
Little reef out there. That's the wizard's hat, right straight in front of me.
I see it.
Oh, I see it. Witch's hat.
Wizard.
Looks kind of like a witch's hat, too.
Yeah.
Wizard, witch, about the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get some nice pictures here, Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds mosey.
Right with that.
Got you a mitten?
In the car I do.
Is that a dodo?
A puffin.
Huh? Oh, that's a puffin. I thought maybe we found the last remaining dodo.
We're gonna actually stop at him on our way out. I told Andrew we'd stop and take more pictures of him.
I think I got a picture of him.
You got a picture? Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of me with
I wonder
him.
what that little stairways takes you down for. Does that take you all the way to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
See people down there wandering. This is high tide.
Yeah. Should be right about now, 11:36.
There's the doo-doo.
Cosmo the tufted puffin.
Can you find these pieces of marine debris on Cosmo? Combs? You see any combs on him?
Combs, oh, he's made out of recycled stuff. Combs, lighters, paintbrush handle, flip-flops, bicycle seat, fishing poles.
All of that is on.
He made of garbage picked up from nearby beaches. Nothing has been colored or dyed.
I see the wheel. The wheel.
There's a lighter. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bunch of... What's that?
Oh, I found the cone.
Oh yeah. There's another lighter. There's more than one of these things.
This is kind of interesting.
Oh, another lighter.
Yeah. Another lighter. Lighters stand out.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a knife? That's a knife.
That looks like
I
that's
don't know.
kind of neat. They made some.
Pretty cool they made it all out of that different stuff.
Yeah.
Let's see. I see the.
Oh, it's cold on this side. Oh, here's a little tire, a little wheel from a toy. Okay, Cosmo. Aren't you a handsome, handsome guy?
Yeah.
Is that a little plastic pocket knife? What is that?
Oh,
This is actually. Wow. This is. This is kind of.
There's all kinds of stuff.
I see the cone. I think that.
all right. Family photo time.
With the.
Bird.
Okay, where's I?
You can stand by me. Right here. Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. Hope we see him good. Oh my lord. Cold.
That's kind of neat. They made that bird outlaw that. That's kind of.